Hello everyone, this wet and windy day we're gonna be fixing some bugs, developing mobile navbar and improving my project. Around 2 weeks ago I have made a post on LinkedIn about finally deploying the project. 2 days after I have realized a few problems like loading skeleton for update component is wrong, not so helpful server error messages, and navbar should be fixed to fit mobile requirements. Sit back, relax, and let's start. For those of you who don't know what is project about, basically it is an app which allows you to create templates from text or HTML markup. Templates are built from sections. Sections can be swapped between each other and rendered dynamically within campaigns, which allows you to create really reusable template across a few campaigns. We're gonna start in home, later move to the library and finally end up rendering this video in Cafe. I hope this episode will be done in one day. Firstly, I would like to make my project handle errors properly. Let's create new branch and sync everything locally. As you see, when I try to register a new account, I've got an error, and it's very strange because I have created an account to test app after deploying, and for the first time I had no problems with it. Around 1 month ago I have added middleware to my Express server for error handling. Basically, it's just functions that will be executed after each request. This is helpful for error handling, logging, statistics, and almost everything you can imagine. Inside body function, you have to check whether error exists, and if so, handle them as you want. As always, the best thing we can do is console log and make testing again. So after changes has been made, let's check whether it will work or not on production. Here's the standard flow: add changes, commit them with message and push on GitHub. When code has been pushed, let's check out deployment process on Vercel. We have done server-side error handling. Let's move to the library just to change the location and in some kind of way inspire. Książnica Pomorska in Szczecin was founded in 1905 as Stadtbibliothek Szczecin. Directed by Dr. Erwin Arknecht from 1907 to 1945, it expanded with contributors from regional collections. Second World War brought damage, but its most valuable works were preserved. Reopened in 1945 as the first Polish library in Szczecin. It merged with Provincial Public Library in 1955, forming a regional network. A major expansion in 1999 and the 2009 launch of the West Pomeranian Digital Library solidified its role in preserving and sharing cultural heritage. So let's move to the second one issue, and it lies in a loading state for updating component. As you see, when it loads, it takes too much space than it should. And the second question I have, what the hell is going on here? This should have loading state only after button has been clicked. Let's understand how component should be updated. For the first time you have to click on update button, then app have to fetch data from database, show loading state, if data fetched successfully, set it to app state, if not, show error.